fancy man, bing bing boo. Texting sustainable, texting तार है ढीली, कौन कसे, 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 कौन कसे।
ये पासपोर्ट से क्यों खेल रहा मैं? सॉरी, बैंगलोर जाने के लिए पासपोर्ट नहीं, यूआईडी कार्ड ही काफी है. So first of all, I would like to introduce myself. I'm an IT guy and I make videos regarding IT companies, college reviews, college placement, college experience, campus experience, technology experience, and lots more things. But today I thought let's start and talk on all this important topic that an IT fresher really face and want to know whenever they are shifting to another city. And yes, as Bangalore is a city of IT engineers and IT professionals, I thought let's share today about the cost of living in Bangalore, how much it is, it is required in order to survive in Bangalore, what is the minimum cost that you should keep in your mind whenever you are shifting to Bangalore, what is the cost of PGs, what is the cost of 1RK, 1 BHK, and what are the best choices, and that will be totally depending upon what kind of people you are. So first of all, if I start with PGs, so see what is the concept in Bangalore is like, you can take PGs can be sharing on the sharing basis, as well as PGs वहाँ पे आपको इंडिविजुअल या सिंगल रूम के बेसिस पे मिल जाती है. तो अगर शेयरिंग बेसिस वाले PGs पे आप जाते हो, लाइक फॉर 3 शेयरिंग, 2 शेयरिंग, 1 शेयरिंग, सो 3 शेयरिंग और 2 शेयरिंग तो काफी मतलब काइंड ऑफ इन मैनेजेबल होता है. बट जो सिंगल शेयरिंग की जो पीजीज होती है ना, आई वुड नेवर रिकमेंड, बिकॉज अनटिल एंड अनलेस इट्स वेरी अर्जेंट फॉर योर 2 to 3 months. उससे ज्यादा तो यार बहुत ही एक्सपेंसिव जाता है वो, बिकॉज वेन एवर यू आर सर्चिंग फॉर एनी सिंगल शेयरिंग पीजी, मोस्टली 90% ऑफ द पीजी दैट यू विल बी फाइंडिंग ओवर देयर is more than they will be costing more than 12,000, and it can go up to any means like 15, 16, 17, 18, any cost depending upon the locality and kind of infrastructure and kind of design of the PG. But yes, if you are going for 2 sharing, 1 sharing, you have different options from Zolo, stanza living. So what are Zolo and stanza living? See, whenever you are shifting to Bangalore, like if you are going to shift to Bangalore, you will be finding PGs. So first of all, finding PG from here will be little difficult task. So Zolos and Stanza Living are kind of an online application or a platform where you all can search the PG. PG can be of 2 sharing, 3 sharing, but I will be telling about pros and cons of Zolo. So first of all, if I'm talking about Zolo, the room size are quite compact. If you are comparing any two sharing room, it will be just like that only 2 beds and maximum of 2 table can be settled over there. Similar with the case of 3 sharing in Zolo. Zolo rooms are quite compact, but if you are going for a single sharing room, but that will be too costly. And if you are taking the range of the PGs of 2 sharing and 3 sharing, you can find over there that the PGs are costing around, for 2 sharing, it's around 8 to 9,000, 8, 9, 10,000. It can even go more. I am talking about the moderate range PG. 7.5, 8, 9, 10 in Zolo living. Zolo means, and in that your food is not included. Zolo is also charging 2,900 for food. Yeah, all of the region of Bangalore. Whereas in stanza living, the food is included. You can find it at 10,000, 11,000, 12,000, 13,000, 14,000 depending upon the area that you are choosing. Most of the companies are near Whitefield and Bellandur, and also over there you can see that the PG prices are little bit high when you are comparing with Global Village, Bhansankari, Electronic City. If you are comparing it, you will find that it's little higher in that part, in the Whitefield, Bellandur, but it's not like that. You can also find a less mix PG with PG in less pricing, but the thing is that you have to compromise little bit. थोड़ा बहुत compromisation तो चलता है bro, because as a starting your career अभी तो compromise ही करना होगा, because you need everything that should be in a balanced way. आप 15,000 की पीजी लेके ही क्या करोगे आप बताओ, अगर आपकी नीड नहीं है तो, बहुत ही अर्जेंसी है, बहुत ही नीड है तो आई वुड सजेस्ट. बट ऐसे सिंगल रूम लेके क्या मतलब, डबल शेयरिंग में अपने फ्रेंड के साथ मैं सजेस्ट करूंगा आप पीजीज खोल सकते हो. तो ये तो मैं बात किया आपकी पीजीज के बारे में. आप आफ्टर दैट आप लोग वहां जाके ऑनलाइन स्टैंजा और जोलो के बारे में बात किया. आप एप्लीकेशन या ऑनलाइन पे सर्च कर सकते हो गूगल पे. आफ्टर दैट इसके अलावा भी बहुत सारे पीजीज हैं जो लोकल पीजीज होते हैं, उसमें भी काफी अच्छे अच्छे पीजीज आपको मिल जाएंगे 7-8-9,000 के रेंज में। 2 शेयरिंग मिल जाएंगे, 3 शेयरिंग 5-6,000 में भी आ जाएंगे। बट द थिंग इज दैट थोड़ा मतलब कि जोलो एंड ये जो है वो डिपॉजिट बहुत ही कम है, 1,000-2,000 का डिपॉजिट है। स्टैंडा में डिपॉजिट भी नहीं है। सो ये काइंड ऑफ एन डिपॉजिट फ्री है। जो 1,000 टोकन मनी लेते हो काइंड ऑफ आपकी ऑनलाइन मतलब सर्विस चार्ज आप बोल सकते हो वो उसके लिए लेते होंगे काइंड ऑफ। इसके अलावा इफ यू थिंकिंग दैट व्हाट आर द अदर ऑप्शन, कैसे आप अदर पीजीज ले सकते हो या तो आपको पीजीज में नहीं रहना। पीजीज में कुछ फायदे हैं, जैसे पीजी की फायदा का मैं बात करूं, यू विल बी served with 3 times 2 times meal. After that you will be getting amenities like washing machine, Wi-Fi, electricity, power backup, room cleaning and all will be included in the part that you are paying. But yes, if you are thinking to planning something else like taking in one RK, so you can see that 1 RK price on an average is of around 7-8,000. 6,000 you can get, but yes, you have to little bit compromise. 6-7-8,000. In that 1 RK you will be not getting any amenities like power backup, Wi-Fi, any furnished material, so that will be costing you something extra, and yes, which will be not costing in the PG part, so you will have to pay something more or invest something in 1 RK. After that, in 1 RK it may be possible that you have to cook your food alone, if the market cook your food by your own, and after that you will not feel around that you are surrounded by people of your own age. But yes, if you think that yes you can live alone and yes you are very much comfortable living alone, then 1 RK can be a best option for you. If you don't think that you should live in public, like in PG it will be a kind of little hostel kind of stuff, which will be not in the case when you are choosing an 1 RK flat. Or the other way that you can go that will be costing you little less is just like that. In a group of 4 people you can take 2 BHK. 2 BHK will be costing around 15-16,000 and डिपॉजिट अलग से यार 1 BHK में भी 1 RK में भी डिपॉजिट लगेगी, इसमें भी डिपॉजिट लगेगी. सो दैट विल बी कॉस्टिंग अराउंड यू, आई कैन से दैट विल बी कॉस्टिंग 1 BHK 15-16 हज़ार में मिल जाना चाहिए, 2 BHK मिल जाना चाहिए. एंड आफ्टर दैट यू हैव टू पे सम ऑफ द एडिशनल डिपॉजिट अमाउंट एंड ऑल द इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर दैट यू आर गोइंग टू सेट. All these 3 are the options. But yes, if you are a single and if you are a fresher right now, you can go for a double sharing with the people who you know, because over there you don't have to take burden of all the other things. All the other amenities are taken care by PG, and if you feel that PG is not good fit for you or anything is wrong with that PG, you can shift it to some other place. But the thing is that you can be comfortably adapting in PGs when you find a friend of your own type. So I would recommend in case that you are a very new and don't want to invest much as a fresher, you might be thinking and fund might be a problem for you. So I would suggest that yes, you can go for a PG. You can try for a double sharing rooms. That will be my suggestion. If it's really urgent and if you're getting some good deals in single sharing, then only go for a single sharing. Otherwise, find offer your own kind and share a room with someone. 2 sharing room will be kind of and decent that you can pay and maintain. So these are the things that I want to mention. Even if you want to know more that कहाँ पे PG लें, कैसे लें, PG में क्या फैसिलिटीज मिलते हैं, कौन से PG में क्या केयर करना चाहिए, क्या नहीं करना चाहिए, I am there to help you out. If you think anything more I should explain in this video, do put up in a comment box. I will be helping you out. Till then, you guys got some info from this video. If you think this video was up to the mark, don't forget to give a big thumbs up, subscribe and share it among your friend group. I make content related to IT and more. तब तक के लिए all the best for all your upcoming events, प्लेसमेंट ड्राइव, ऑनबोर्डिंग प्रोसेस एंड हाँ शिफ्ट कर रहे हो पीजी में तो उसके लिए भी ऑल द बेस्ट. चलो स्टार्ट अ न्यू लाइफ एंड यस ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर योर न्यू जर्नी. बाय बाय, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में.